Thought we'd take a quick tour of our aquaponics demonstration greenhouse. Whoa, look at all those tomatoes. But in here we have got an IBC aquaponics system that is, you can see, is just littered with tomatoes. And this is after we have picked 750 tomatoes from this system already. There are just a few tilapia down there in the bottom. I say a few, maybe 50. We also have some pretty good looking peppers on there. We even got some starting to turn red. Yay! It took forever. Lots more tomatoes. We've got our slightly larger aquaponics system that is full of koi. And that is connected to our raft aquaponics system. We just recently harvested a whole bunch of basil from the left side and a bunch of lettuce from the right side. So now we have the new plants started. Back over here we've got a miniature tabletop aquaponics system and then a tower with a whole bunch more tomatoes on it. So right now we are flush with tomatoes.